If you want to live stream games from your mobile to your YouTube channel and you don't even have 1,000 subs, then I'm going to show you how you can stream from your mobile to your channel in this video. And we're starting right now. Hi there, David Walsh here once again, here to help you grow your YouTube channel. In this video series, I'm going to answer your questions that you leave in the comments of my videos. So if you'd like your question answered and also get a shout out at the same time, pop your burning questions in the comments area below on any of my new videos, and you too could get your question answered on a whole video as well as get a shout out too. On my recent video on how you can live stream from your mobile to your YouTube channel and you don't need 1,000 subs, I was asked so many times on how you can stream gameplay from your phone to your channel, again, without needing 1,000 subs. So I was asked by the Ginger Ninja, Remy, Johnny Boy, MHD, CRJ Sports, Phantom Deluxe, and so many people how you could do this with your mobile phone. So I'm going to show you how you can do this very simply, very quickly, so you can stream your mobile games to your YouTube channel. So what you need to do is go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and search for an app called Omlet Arcade. Select that and then just download that to your phone. Once it's downloaded, open that up. So all you have to do then, once you have that app installed, is to click on Create Account. Put in a username. And once you've got that, then click on Continue. Now at this point, you don't need to put in any passwords or anything like that. You can select any games that you want here, or you can just skip. So I'm just going to click on Skip. So you want to allow push notifications. So click on that. So click on Allow again. So you can go through the rewards and stuff like that. So I'm just going to opt out of this for now. So to stream to your YouTube channel, click on the plus and then click on Go Live. So what this is going to say is that you need to use the record function on your phone. This is on iPhone. There's another way to do it if you're on Android. So with your iPhone, use the record function and you can do that. Shows you how to do that, how to set that up, and I'll show you in a second. So in order to set up the screen record function on your iOS device, you need to go into your control center, go into settings, scroll down to control center, click on that. Then you have the options of what elements you want to add on there. Make sure that you have screen recording on there, which is this one here. Click on the plus symbol on the left-hand side to add that on there. Then you'll find that in your control center on your iOS device. Then it'll ask you to invite friends. You don't need to do that. Click on Continue. Then you want to select where you want to stream to. So we have the option of Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, or a custom platform. But for custom platforms, you do need the paid option. So we're just going to go with YouTube for now. So to connect your YouTube account, click on Sign In Now. Pop in your email address and your password. Then go through any verifications that you've got and click on Next. Then select any accounts that you have on there or just the one account if you've got that. Then click on Allow and then click on Done up at the top. So if you don't have live streaming enabled on your account, you will need to enable that, and that will go through to click on the Start Now button. It will go through to your channel. Then you will need to wait up to about 24 hours for that to be enabled on your YouTube channel. But for now, I'm going to skip this. So I have my YouTube channel connected. So in order to screen record from your iOS device, go into your control center, then go to the record button. Hold down on that and then you will see a number of options here, and the option there for Omlet Arcade will pop up. Click on Start Broadcast and then you will connect to your YouTube channel with your device and start streaming straight away. What games are you going to stream from your mobile device to your YouTube channel? Let me know in the comments area below. I'd love to know what games you like to play on your mobile. And if you have a question about YouTube that you want to get answered, pop that in the comments area below and you'll never know, I could be giving you a shout out on another video very soon. And if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell. We upload videos every single week to help you grow your YouTube channel. And we also go live on Saturdays answering your questions to help you grow your channel as well. And if you want to live stream yourself to your YouTube channel from your mobile device, make sure to watch that video right there.